Hey guys, it's Arena, and today on my channel I will be playing with my slime and showing you what I did to my slime. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I have my slime right here in this container. It's Mood Mud, and so yeah, I'm just gonna open it up. So this is my slime right here. Well, this is some of it. Okay, let me show you what I did to some of my slime. I colored it. Now, I will show you what I used to color it and how I colored it, and I'll show you me coloring some of it. I'm gonna color this tiny piece right here. So yeah, let's just get started.